This is a lovely 1946 Dodge 7-window four-door sedan. They also made a four-door town sedan where the back doors were not suicide doors, but modern configuration. But at any rate, this is a beautiful blue color and unique in so many ways. First of all, look at those tires. White walls were impossible to get, but as an alternative, they sold those white, I don't know what you would call them, kind of fake sidewalls that slipped right into the wheel and gave the illusion of a real white wall, but they were just imitation. My aunt had that on her 48 Plymouth. Now this interior is original, and it is gorgeous. There's that pinstriping and the buttons. The steering wheel is color-coded. Full horn ring. Look at all the chrome on that dash. Unbelievable. And that covering over the front windows, I've never seen one like it, and I talked to the owner about it, and it was appropriate for the time and sold by the Dodge dealers. So evidently nobody else has seen it either, so this is a very, very rare accessory. I think it may have even been put there by the factory rather than the dealer. Notice the single stoplight there in the middle of the decklet. Now this car was made in December of '45, which would have to make it one of the first to come down the assembly line after World War II ended. And it was titled in March of '46. So it qualifies as a 1946 car. It has fluid drive too, which meant that you really could navigate town without putting in the clutch. You put it into gear and just let it go. Very handy for taxi cabs. They love that. And this front end, I have a grill like that on the wall in one of my rooms because I think it's so cool. Of course, it's not in that beautiful chrome shape. Amazing car. And there's the big bumper guard in the front.